RC Addicts, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. All right, we got a new video on deck, new video, new RC on deck. This, for me, I've got to say, has got to be the best brushless budget buy on Amazon. It's priced at $111 with the coupon they have. You can get it for $90. I don't like talking price on the air, but that has to be known of what you're going to see comes out of this box. All right, so we got the Legendary Thunder. It's 110 scale, brushless monster truck. And this is how Amazon brought it to my door, by the way. At least the box wasn't all beat up. They dropped it off just like this, as you see it here. Except it had a big old shipping label on top with all my personal information on it, which is no longer there. So that's what we got. Let's pop the top, see what's inside. All right, we got a green body and a blue body. Two bodies. Oh, yeah. Score. Okay. One for bash and one for show. In this box, we've got our transmitter. Pretty basic transmitter, but it's got everything you need on it. You got your steering forward and reverse, throttle forward and reverse, binding, steering dual rate, steering trim, throttle dual rate, throttle trim. Here's your power button. It's got a carbon fiber finish. It's not carbon fiber. It's just a carbon fiber finish or tape on it. Now, it appears to be a 4-channel. See, you got channel 3, channel 4. I think this is your high-low switch because it's supposed to be able to go into high and low. I could be wrong, but we'll find out once we start playing with it. AAA batteries up the grip takes 4. Looks like. All right. Plastic wheel. Okay, that could do. That trigger does feel kind of vague though, but we'll see what's what. All right, next up. Accessory bag. What we got in here? Oh, don't be trying to get a peek at the main event just yet. Hang on. All right, accessory bag. We have some zip ties. Why we need zip ties? Ooh, lipo bag. I don't have one of these. I just keep mine in ammo cans. But this would be good for charging. I just charge on the concrete floor, but this would be great. Put your battery in it while it's charging. Yeah, that's sweet. What? You get replacement A-arms, replacement hubs, hub hexes, front and rear replacement arms, it looks like. Impressive. Charging brick, charger. Won't be using any of this. Velcro strap. If you want to do 2 batteries, I guess, at once. For this is your Dean's connector, double Dean's connector. So you'll plug the car in this side, and this side you'll put 2 batteries so you get double the runtime. Yeah. That's parallel. I think that's what it's called. Another bag of spare parts. Spare spur. And some spare body posts and such, it looks like. Man. All right. And, oh, wow, a manual. Look how thick that is. I like manuals. English. It tells you what everything is in there. How to charge. Their buttons. Oh, what do those buttons do? Number 4. 3-position toggle switch. Channel 3. Okay, I knew that. Number 3. Push button switch. Channel 4. Push button function is flip type. Okay. Yeah. Looks good, looks good. Tells you how the electronics work. How to set stuff. The throttle range and all that. Oh. Wow. For the price you pay, you get quality stuff. Hey, you guys, look, I mean, okay, so some of these hobby grade things up here, I'm not pointing out one specifically, don't even come with a manual, let alone a manual that has all the, oh look, it even advertises what you have, parts, diagrams, let's see, diagrams, yeah. Part numbers, diagrams, shows you the other vehicles they carry. Yo, this is top notch, legendary. I got it. Tip of the hat to you. Tip of the hat to you. All right, so let's get this stuff back in here. This charger will never see use. This may never see use either. Put our spares back in, may need it. Probably not going to use the Velcro either or the straps. Right now, anyway. I'll likely use this, so we'll keep that out. All right, so now for the star of the show. You guys try to cheat and look at it while I was showing you other stuff. Now we get to look at it. Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, man, look at this humongous wheelie bar. This is coming out of here for sure. Look at this thing. It's gigantic. Gigantic, gigantic. Screws for mounting. This has something to do with that. The other, I guess. But this is solid. One solid piece. Okay. Will we need it? We shall see. Okay, so get all that stuff out the way. Now we're going to take a look at this chassis. I don't want to lose all the little bits, so I'm putting them away. Ooh, you even get a pouch of stuff you're not supposed to eat. Put that in there too. Okay. The truck. Now, I've never heard this brand before until Amazon was screaming at me when I was shopping for the wife's birthday present. It kept popping up. Every 6th or 7th thing ad was a legendary this or a legendary that. So they baited me and they got me to purchase. And here we have it. 110 scale, Legendary Thunder. Looks pretty cool. I like it. Ooh. Nice plush grippy tires with foam and vented. I can hear it. Nice sturdy bumper up front. Yeah. Oil-filled metal cap shocks. Needs some thicker oil in it, I believe, at least in the front. Yeah, all the way around needs thicker oil. You also have metal threaded body shocks in the back. Springs are okay. It comes included with a 2S 30C 5200 milliamp LiPo battery. Let's go ahead and plug that on the charger. Let's use our nifty Legendary LiPo bag. Stick this bad boy in here. So, and we are going to go from storage to balance charge. Thank you, Legendary RC. All right, back to the car. All right, so you got a pretty good tub style chassis, and this right here is pretty adjustable, so you can fit a pretty thick battery there for a nice bigger size 2 and 3S LiPo. Now, as far as adjustability lengthwise, there's none of that. I like the metal brace up top, chassis brace up top. You've got a 50 amp, from what I understand, ESC, 2023, what is it, 3300 kV? Yep, 3300 kV brushless motor. And that's it. Here's your ESC, your control box. Now, as far as the servo is concerned, I think it's a 3 kilogram servo from what I read last. 50 amp ESC, like I said, 3300 kV motor, brushless motor. What's this QR code? Scan QR code to purchase the spare parts. Right there. So there is a shop for this, and apparently I'm late to this truck because it's been out for a while. Originally priced at $196, so to almost $200. And you can get it yourself for $90 with a coupon if you apply it. Nice, nice. Let's look at the bottom here. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done, I bet. Man, for the money, that is not bad. We got a little floppy power button here. I guess it was stuck here at one time, but a little bit of double-sided Gorilla Tape can fix that right up. So first impressions, I think this truck is, this looks like it's got some potential. And I thought I was going to get scammed for the price I paid, but I did not. Surely not. Let's see. And servo seems all right. Seems like it's got some decent power or strength to it for a 10 scale truck. Now let's look at the bodies here. We've got to put these together. a couple of screws. You get your wing. You get your wang back on back here. It's your glue body. Nothing fancy. It's just your typical plastic body. PVC maybe. And here's our green one. Man, you get spare body parts, spare internal parts, spare. And here you go. Here's the green one. And I think does it have a protective film on it? Yeah, it looks like it does. So the body might pop just a little bit more once you peel the film off. But yeah, I think let's go ahead and get this. Let's get this one of these bodies put together. Hang on. All right, we got our bodies on. We got a body on. Our bodies assembled, which really wasn't hard. Just a couple of self-fastening nuts and a couple of screws, Allen head screws, and puts it together. I did pull the plastic off, as you saw on the blue one and the red and this green one here. And the body, the color does pop. It does pop. I may go ahead and spray some stuff in here, some Flex Seal, or tape it to keep the body in good shape. But because it's kind of flimsy. Other than that, yeah, man, I like it. Here it is with the body on the truck, and at the price, I still can't believe it, and I'm still saying it. At the price point, you get all this. You get two bodies, a brushless truck with a 3300 kV motor in it, a 50 amp brushless ESC, a book for a manual, spare parts. Nobody gives you spare parts. Nobody gives you spare parts like that. Anyway, spare parts like this. These are arms. The spur gear, some body post mounts. You get your charger, some zip ties, like I mentioned before, a Velcro strap. You get that neat LiPo bag, which I'm using right now to charge the batteries, the hardware, screws, and whatnot, and your 4-channel remote. Still need to find out what this and this does. But yeah, we'll see you on the running video. It's your host, Jeff C, signing out, telling you, get out in RC, man. Go drive something. God bless. Peace. Thanks for coming by. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace. See you next time.